Hi everyone and welcome to July. Hello everybody, welcome to July month. Hi everyone and welcome to July's monthly, no, July is a month. Hi everyone. Hi everyone and welcome to this month's monthly favourites. What? Hi everyone and welcome to monthly favourites. I haven't done one of these. Did I do one last month? Oh God, Ruth, just say the words. Bear, come here. Come here. You're going to fall out of that window and then you'll be sorry. Come and sit here with me. There's nothing to eat but a little Mr. Bear. I need to sit there, so you have to sit on my lap. Right. It's a bee. You should be used to the bee by now because he's been bashing at that window all day. Oh, Mr. Bear. Right, millionth time lucky, Mr. Bear. Let's go. Stop. Right. Okay, come on, Ruth. How can one person talk so much rubbish when they're on their own? Let's get out more. Follow me. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. What on earth are you going on about?